In 1971, the soldiers from West Nile massacred the soldiers from Acholi and Lango. Confusion, killings, incredible killings. Then 79, when we were coming, we had struggled with the UPC people who wanted revenge, to revenge on the Western Islands. And actually they did. When the Tanzanians withdrew, they attacked the villages in Western Island. Western Islands had to go into exile. The 500,000 Western Islands went into exile. They only came back when NRM came and called them back.